Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa here with another edition of Is a Yaad Ting, the we're not quite sure how regular show where I talk about 5 things that you probably know and or do if you come from Yaad. Now, this is a special hurricane edition because you see that something here where you come from Yaad but you live a foreign. It's a terrible something, you know, because right now me a bad mind people are there Yaad for the hurricane. My bad mind on for Sunday because I am not there to share in all of the things that Jamaicans do when hurricane is coming. I don't know, we have a specific set of activities that we have to go through and some of them are very bizarre. But we do them anyway. But my bad mind don't know for the hurricane. Anyway, before the current goes, but the internet is still working, or to watch the video here, and then when the current goes, go and talk to your friends and family because that is what it is that you're supposed to do. So read them up. When you're ready, it's a Yaad Ting Hurricane Edition. Everybody, be safe. If you come from Yaad, you know, so when hurricane come, the first thing that you have to do after you go to the supermarket, go buy the 15 bread and pitch down people granny in pursuit of the bucket of water, is to cook out all of the food we're in at the back of the fridge right now. Look here, me don't know why it feels so, but when hurricane come, like all of a sudden people start to remember their maroon heritage, like them start to things like brown food. You know your brown food, like you take the food and you season it up and you don't really fully cook it, but you brown it up like you partly cook it. When you brown the food take longer to spoil than if the food is just in at the fridge. So right now, me know say people are going in at the back of them fridge, go take out all of the something where their mother said this is for special occasion, like the ham skin where them have put on from Christmas, like the 3 lobster she get from the last time when she got all off and them something there. Right now, me know people like eat lobster for breakfast. You see when Hurricane Gilbert did like curry goat, stew beef, 3 different type of lobster my mother cook because all that food have cooked out of the fridge because you know say JPS custom for just lock off the current as them have a feeling and nothing else can go on. Me hear the ODPEM or wherever the lady come from say when you not pack rations, you know pack extra ration for picnic. She said picnic because the children are going to be bored and all of them something there. So them are going to need extra food. Nobody never tell me say this apply to the big greyback adult them when me see on my Facebook and Twitter timeline. I cook 3 different course worth of breakfast because them have to name off all of the food before the hurricane leak and power go away. I don't know why we do these things, but my bad mind, oh no, because right now me I eat bread and cheese because I have no hurricane for give me excuse to name off the all of the food out of my fridge. Bad mind, I'm cooking up food because hurricane are come. Is a Yaad Ting. If you come from Yaad, you know say hurricane time is family time, and that is part of the reason why I'm vexed and we cannot be there. Yes, when hurricane are come, everybody have to end on the yard because there is no work. It is not Sunday, so nobody can tell you nothing about to go to church. Or then have no choice but to just sit down in the house and look up in one another face. You know how much people actually enjoy the hurricane time? All them celebrate all them in them bed, and all them in them yard with them mother, and all them and them boo lock up on the sheet, all of them something. Hurricane time a family time because no TV no them. The phone eventually I got there, or you can't call out to nobody. You don't have no choice but to talk to the people them around you. So you see hurricane time what we used to do? We used to take one and make a little shadow something them on the wall, and then we used to tell Duppy story, and then who afraid they just laugh after them, and you have to follow them with the lamp go bathroom because they're afraid of the dark. And what else we used to do? We used to make up all type of different game, and my mother used to teach with game where she used to play when she little bit. So we used to play jacks or all of them type of something then at the house. If you come from here, you know say after you get over the scare of the hurricane and you're not afraid so your house are gonna blow away and you secure your roof with the tarpaulin and the wrap them, that is the time for go sit down in your yard and spend quality time with your family because everybody is home and it is like a free holiday. I don't know why. It's a Yaad Ting. If you come from Yaad, you know say the people them from Pedro Keys nah come in. The fisher folk. I like that word. The first time I hear that word, I love it. The fisher folk from Pedro Keys, them nah come in. It no matter what you tell the people them over Pedro Keys, them just to make you know how much hurricane it is that them live out over there. Them nah do nothing. I read the article today while lady over Pedro Keys, I say she nah come in. She a cook for her food and say clean. I say who can argue with her every single time hurricane off the strike? They have the people them and them is the small craft one in and them say everybody for come in. Alright, the people them dry in them craft. Then take horse draw in them craft and put it up on the key, but them refuse to come back to the mainland because the Pedro Keys people them say plenty hurricane we see out in the waters here, and we can tell you no better that only can tell we all the hurricane are gonna what it are gonna do and any type of ravages. And furthermore, if me lock down my shop and go up on the mainland, look at thief in boy them gone with all of my something out of my shop, so me not come in. You always have the Pedro Keys people, but 3 old people who tell you say them live there all long and they now left them house. And like one Rastaman who decides that Jah is not going to allow the hurricane to lick him no way, no house, so him not come out of the house. You have them set of people there, every hurricane. Now move. And them, every hurricane, them win most gangster for me. Because when me sit down under the bed a long time, I wait for the water come lift me up like Titanic and music start playing. Them people that outside I kick football because them not really afraid of nothing. Big up to the people them from Pedro Keys. Yeah, you are the real hurricane winner. You name Storm Watcher, Storm Chaser. Right here, right now, is a Yaad Ting. Look here, when you see how they make me start think about them something, I know I can't have laugh. If you come from Yaad, you know say, the eye of the storm is the time for go to your yard, go survey your damage, and collect up people things so blow in your yard and call it as your own. Look here, me not telling no lie. I come from country. A man said I did have a feel. You see now the eye of the storm, and because we run out long time, what for the whole of the man can't blow down in the storm. When can do with it? And he couldn't possibly have and to pick up the whole of them. It's him one work on the farm with assist the man. The eye of the storm. No matter what them tell Jamaican people, what they said, look here, the eye of the storm is in the middle of the most drastic and violent part of the storm. Jamaican people say, but the eye of the storm is calm though. Some don't understand. Breeze stop blow for your time. Some don't understand why we can't go out every single time eye of the storm come. People gone outside, go look on roof. People gone outside, go look on neighbor. People want to run, go down the road, go look on granny and check if she alright. All of them something there. The eye of the storm is a sightseeing time if you come from Yaad. And no matter how meteorologists tell we something, we not take back no chat. We don't know why. Fasting is a Yaad thing. If you come from Yaad, you know say you have two set of people can stay in them yard in a hurricane. One of them a thief and the second one a member of parliament. Because when hurricane come, the whole of the MP them have to drive up and down in their big truck in the different constituency them help up and drain and clear debris where them should have cleared from years back. I don't know why it is that we don't really recognize that hurricane coming despite the fact that we're in the hurricane belt and we have a defined hurricane season, and from before the whole of the meteorologists them can tell you say Ray hurricane a go leak. No matter what the MP them not take care of them something they till hurricane. So every time hurricane a go leak, you see a picture of a man standing up on the running board of him Prada or whatever type of vehicle they're using to move him around with a flock of people standing around him, explaining to him, say, Pierre dirty baby pampers and chubby buckle and block up the drain. So I have to send one set of man go block up the drain. Try and make him know, say, the tree them overgrown and dropping a people yard, him have to send one set of people them for good water that. The gully block up from when him have to send another set of people them. Yo, money I'm making at the hurricane because the man I forget all of this together now because the news crew them I follow the man now him after death and fine. Big up to the MP them. Me know that me could have really actually like married to one now because me know the hurricane I come more locked down in my house with my personal smaddy, but under the outer road after I sit to the constituency them but under neglect for the whole of the year. What is this? Me don't know why. It's a Yaad thing. If you come from Yaad, you know say when hurricane a come, you have to turn on every single light in the house. Me don't know why we do it. Like the light in the bathroom turn on, the hall light turn on, the light in the bedroom turn on. It's like we are trying to use up all of the electricity before JPS can take away from it. It's like we are use the light for burn out the iniquity out of the corner of the house them before it is we are left in there with the darkness. Me don't know. It's like, and then the next thing, you see people online them and download movies so them can watch it when light gone. Them technological people. Them are send a 1 million BB message and 1 million tweet. Like them a try get out all of them communication before them get cut off. Then them overcharge the phone so them can have the phone for as long as possible. And them do all type of special things like turn off the phone and turn on back the phone and them type of something to try to save the battery. Then them put on credit on the phone in case BBM go down so them now go out of contact with people. Me I say, oh, they never have so much to say before the hurricane. And it's not them want to get out emergency message, you know. Them literally just want to talk out everything what them officer is like the 5 days I'm not being able to communicate with them followers is making them feel that they're going on crazy. On top of that, you know say you have to catch up the whole bathtub full of water. Yeah, the picnic them can't be them have to take pan bath in the kitchen sink because the bathtub is being used to store the water right now. Over communication and acting like the light bill is not going to come after the hurricane, especially with hurricane adjustment tax. Yeah, that's a Yaad thing. Me know 6 5 I'm supposed to do, but me excited. If you come from Yaad, you know say after the hurricane, at them time you know you gotta talk about G program. Them a talk about G program and crash program. Them not have nothing on what is about to occur. When hurricane done, my man eye out themselves to put tarpaulin on your roof and help use black and them something the security till they can pay feed. You see after Gilbert, you know how much people have tarpaulin on them roof for all years after Gilbert just live with. Man eye out themselves help clear out debris out of your yard. Man eye out themselves help clear out the drain down the foot of your driveway. That's how we catch up. Man eye out themselves help fix bridge because you know we have some bridge well off broke down. You know we have have some bridge we have to broke down. Right now, Cliff Twang life is just solid because nobody can cross anything, and they need a bag of people for help fix back the bridge and a bag of people for help people cross over the road. So whenever everybody are worried about the economy, or we need to find a way to get money back in the economy, don't worry, money gonna be flowing into the economy right now after this hurricane. I don't know why. Learning how to make money out of adversity, that's a Yaad thing. So there you have it, the hurricane edition of Is a Yaad Ting. Everybody, please be careful. Me know say I don't love go out in the storm, but even if you go out in the eye of the storm, because we broke bad and we can't stop. Keep an eye out when the breeze start come back. And when the breeze start come back, run go back in the house. Yeah? Big up every man who never do nothing for the whole year, where just now all of a sudden get very activated and start fix things around the house. Big ups to you. You know, sometimes you just easy back, you spend the money when you have to buy up the plyboard and try to secure up the place. Big up to Blackie. Because I know say you spend the most of your life tie up under the orange tree outer door, and right now you inside a live pedigree life because the same little pity them will kick you at daytime about say, oh God, we can't leave Blackie outside in the hurricane. Big up all of the mongrel dog them. Big up everybody who have gone in the country to collect mama because them can't leave mama down there. Or big up everybody who have send money for make sure say mama house secure. And big up the people them right now where they are work because them know say them are met overtime right now. Big up my brother where they pan him also. Yeah, so my bad mind enough for the hurricane, but I'm also very deep in prayer for the country because I want to make sure that everybody come through and everything okay. MPs, get an act together. So that start out the thing before it's a core. People, we are fling things in the drain. Another MP for come clean it out. Him don't live there and you live there. All of the money we are get ready to start the looting and shooting. Because sit down in your yard. Go back into your yard and sit down there. This is a hurricane. It is not a shopping holiday. It is not Black Friday. Go back home. Okay? Peace, love, and thank you from MooreTalkJa. Bye-bye.